At the Results tab, you will finally find options that allow you to present and visualize the results of the calculation and design of the urban drainage system. You will see that you have options to export to a drawing file in DWG or DXF format, the entire contents of your project, including the layers that we have defined by default. It is also possible to generate an image of the current view of the drawing area, in case you want to add one to the project's documents. The Print Drawing option presents the dialog from which you can specify parameters such as margins, scale, and page orientation, in case you want to make prints from the same program. The Print Tables option also gives you the ability to export one or all of the project's tables to a Microsoft Excel format file. Note that, in addition to the streets, manholes, and sewer pipes tables, it is possible to visualize, print, or export the table of drainage inlets assigned to the streets or channels in the current surface system. You will see that this table shows the street to which the inlet is assigned, its name and type, its hydrological and operating parameters, and, finally, the manhole into which it discharges. The subbasins table includes the street or manhole to which each subbasin has been allocated, its identifier where you will see the calculated extension of the associated road or channel width, and finally the parameters for determining the weighted runoff coefficient to be used in calculations with rational formula. This table, of course, is presented for each current surface system or sewer network in the project. The project's subbasin details table lists the characteristics of each of the existing subbasins throughout the project, presenting the hydrological information and element to which it is assigned, for each surface system and sewer network in the project. The Format button at the Longitudinal Profiles panel allows you to define, besides the graphic properties, the fields, or parameters to be shown for each sewer pipe section in each of the sub-networks that you have divided in the current sewers network. For example, here we wish to show the flow, capacity, and diameter fields. So we select them one by one and add each to the list on the right. Click OK to close the dialog and then click the Longitudinal Profiles button. You will see that it is necessary to specify whether to present all longitudinal profiles in the current sewers network or to present any one specifically. We choose to show the main sewer in this network. In the longitudinal profile, besides the elevation data, parameters that we had previously selected are shown too. Of course, from this dialog, you can print or export as an image or to a drawing file, in order to improve the default presentation. The Work Quantities panel shows table of quantities for the whole project, including unit and total costs as well as the grand total for the current sewers network. You can also generate tables of specific work quantities by manhole. And by sewer pipe. Finally, there is the button to set and activate the presentation of results and data as text annotations in the drawing area. This way you have all the necessary information to properly document your drainage system design calculation and design documents with our software.